Paris Saint-Germain have identified their priority target to replace departing superstar Kylian Mbappe in the summer. Mbappe, 25, will be leaving PSG at the end of the season after 7 years at Parc des Princes and is expected to join Real Madrid.
According to RMC Sport, the Parisians are now prioritizing Napoli star Khvicha Kvaratskhelia as the star forward's replacement. And this poses as a major transfer blow for Chelsea, Arsenal as well as Manchester United, who are also eyeing Kvaratskhelia.
PSG boss Luis Enrique sees the winger as the perfect candidate to fill in for Mbappe down the left wing, and discussions have already taken place. Club chiefs have travelled to Italy to meet the Georgia internationals' camp. Read more on Football World over Parch hints he could choose to quit Chelsea and it won't be end of the world. Golden Boot Premier League top scorer betting odds. Who will win the Golden Boot? The negotiations have been described as positive and Kvaratskhelia was left enthusiastic.
However, there has been no agreement between the two sides and PSG will have to splash a significant sum for the Georgian's signature. Napoli are notoriously tough negotiators who slap a hefty fee on the top stars, such as Victor Osimhen, and are not known to budge.
Kvaratskhelia has set the world alight during his 2-year stint with the Partenope. Most read in football. OWN goal. Ex-Arsenal ace Paul Merson banned from driving after speeding 3 times in a month. Footy rape claims Prem club boss identity to remain hidden in child sex abuse case. That's not right. Keane and Wright in heated F-word bust up as co-star plays peacemaker. Toffee crumble. Everton face embarrassing takeover U-turn with Bayer. They've already snubbed best free bet sign-up offers for UK bookmakers. The forward led the Serie A Giants to their first Scudetto in 33 years during his maiden campaign.
He now counts a total of 24 goals and 26 assists in 85 appearances across all competitions. Thierry Henry slammed for embarrassing take on Kylian Mbappe after PSG defeated in Champions League semi-final. Barcelona are also keeping tabs, but Kvaratskelia's father Badri recently dealt all of his suitors a major blow as he suggested his son wants to stay at Napoli, where he has a contract until 2027.